Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing one of the most requested videos on my channel recently, which is my house tour. So welcome home and I hope you all enjoy being here, and let's get started. After entering into the apartment, the first thing on the left side is our coat closet, and usually this is loaded with coats and jackets in the winter season, but as of now we have all our shoes and sunglasses, hats and umbrellas, basically all the items that we might take when we go outside. And also we have our rackets for tennis and other outdoor sports related items. Then each one of us have a rack for shoes, which we most often use. Next, coming on to our living room, this is one of the most coziest rooms in the house. It is bright because we have this beautiful window here and we get a lot of sunshine in the mornings, so I liked using the white curtains here because it does not darken up the room yet gives us the privacy, and I love how beautiful these curtains look. The outside view looks beautiful as well through the window, and you would have seen me pick this up from IKEA if you have seen our IKEA vlog. And next to that I have this pot with nice greenery. I like the way it looks. Definitely would love to grow some real plants and pots in the future, but as of now I love having this in the living room. Got this from TJ Maxx. Just beside that we have our floor lamp as well. This has been with us since we initially came to the US. And next, coming on to this side is our couch where all the conversations happen. We love this one from Costco. Underneath that we have this very simple rug which is grey in color, and it's a very simple one, but this is our favorite place to hang out with family. We play games here, especially a favorite spot for the kids. We got this from Walmart. And then the cushions in the couch are from Marshalls. And then on the wall above the couch I have kept it simple with a picture that we have of the kids. We took the print and then did this DIY project that I have shared it in one of my vlogs, and I love how candid this picture turned out. This room is basically a mixture of white, grey, brown with a pop of blue color, and this one is a bluish colored accent chair that is from Walmart, and I felt this matches the room really well. We didn't want to reduce the space in the living room with a coffee table, so instead use this simple grey side table which is like a basic stool, but I have stuck this marble glue on paper on it which just changed how the simple one looked. And then over that I have a tray with the TV remotes, a greenery piece and a candle. Basically all these are from TJ Maxx. I love how this candle smells like. There is no particular flavor written on it, but I believe it's vanilla. By the way, as written over the candle, I hope you're all enjoying this video so far. Do leave a thumbs up if you are. And then on the wall we have this 8 cube shelf, and this is how the whole thing looks like. Having a mirror definitely helps make this room look a little more bigger, and I have some string lights on top of that. And over the shelf are some beautiful fresh flowers. I do keep it here if someone brings in when they visit home, or I do buy it from the local grocery store as well, and it stays for such a long time. So I have just placed it in the vase from Dollar Tree, over which I have just wound up some jute thread. Then there is a picture of the kids when Anjali was, I guess, 2 months, and Yeah, Adi had just turned 4. We took that from JCPenney. And then here is a lamp. I like the details on it and how it matches everything in here. Inside the cube shelf you have this cube shelf organizers from IKEA, and there I have some DVDs and CDs in there. And underneath that I have my sewing machine. In the blue one I have most of my sewing supplies, and this shelf is actually great for organizing whatever you want. And under that I have a green pot, basically trying to add in some greens wherever possible. And there are some seashells here which was gifted to us. It has a very nice smell in it and looks beautiful. And under that is our laughing Buddha, which was again a gift. And then we have all our albums inside this cube, and there is a little idol of God there. And coming on to this side is a TV, and beside that there is a little organizer in which we are keeping the incoming mails which needs to be sorted out. We also have this frame which says family, and I really liked how all the colors in it matched with everything else in the room. Once again, this is how the whole living room looks like. And now let's go to the other side of the stairs where we have our dining and the kitchen area. On the wall we have this big clock I got from Ross, and this can be seen from all the rooms here. It can be seen from upstairs as well, and it's big enough, and Adi is learning how to tell time from here. And then we have this little seating arrangement. You can make it more comfy using cushions and a small mattress, but I have just kept it simple so that kids love to stay here and eat some snacks and play as well. Then here is a dining table and have a rug underneath so that it's easier to clean when kids eat food. And on the table also I have my favorite peel on paper stuck on it, so I love how it turned out. This dining table is a simple wooden one from Wayfair. And then on this side of the wall we have this little cupboard that we got since we have no separate pantry here, so I have all my supplies in it. And then there is this hutch that I have shown you before too, that I got from the thrift store for like $25, and I chalk painted it, and I just love how it turned out. And this hutch really gives a farmhouse decor feel, and on top of that I have just kept all the measuring bowls that looks beautiful, so thought why not keep these pretty ones at the top rather than finding storage for it. There's also a little rooster there. Then I have some cups and few breakable items as well. And here is a little picture of the day after when Anjali was born, and this is very close to my heart. And then I have some plates and bowls there, and inside that I have kitchen towels, extra spoons, etc. Next, coming on to the kitchen, it's a small one like most rental apartments, and here is a breakfast table which I like to keep as empty as possible. Here I have the coffee maker though, but if this is cluttered, the whole kitchen looks messy instantly. And here is a very nice picture frame. Again, my favorite marble paper is stuck over that, and it keeps the counter mess free and beautiful at the same time. And under that, over here is a trash can, and under the breakfast bar has some space, so I have kept this wire cube shelf. And this is so versatile because you can use it anyway if it fits your space in whatever shape you want to. So I have my electric pot, onions and potatoes, and under that all of my baking supplies. Here is this organizer I have kept, and I have kept all the ziplocs, cling wraps, etc. It's very easy to take out and keep it mess free. Then we have a fridge over which I have a few meal planning folders and recipe folders. In this video I'm not covering up what is inside each cupboard over here since it will make this video extra lengthy. Then I have my lid organizer over here along with the casserole. Most often I leave this red casserole on the top. And then here is a stove And one question that I get asked the most is, why do I cover with aluminum foil? I do it so that it's easy to clean the drip pans, and I just remove it every 2 weeks or so whenever I feel there is a spillover, and then I clean the drip pans in water and soap and put fresh foil on top of that. This way I feel it remains clean. And then there is this candle here that I put most often after I clean the kitchen. This is the sweet buttercream scent, and over here I have the tea and sugar canisters and spice organizer. I like this shelf because it occupies minimal space and keeps the spice organized. And then I have the cutting board and the scrap bowl, which I got from TJ Maxx. Then this place is near our staircase, and here we have like a small setup for us to pray. And then here comes under the staircase, it's like a small storage area for extra supplies, mostly all cleaning products, etc. Then here is a washroom. I like to light a candle here, which I got from Target, and it actually smells amazing here. And then here I also keep our handheld vacuum cleaner, which is plugged in. Then coming upstairs, we have 2 bedrooms, a bathroom and the laundry area. I have this decorative item from my hometown, and these family pictures here, I wanted to do more of them here, but presently have hung only 2 of them. Then coming here is the master bedroom. This is actually quite spacious, and with this window being here, it is very bright in here. And there are 2 walk-in closets which are joined together, and me and my husband each use one. And then we have the iron table, for which I found this iron hanger, which I like to keep the iron and the table organized and out of the way, so I really like it. And the main attraction in this room for me is the bed and the bedspread that I got from Target. I found it really nice, and the 2 off-white cushions that came along with it. And the red cushions, I guess I got it from Ross quite a while ago. And over that I have these pictures of me and my husband. That again is a DIY that has been shared in a vlog, and I think I gifted him on last Valentine's Day, I guess. So we have all our couple pictures that has been taken over the years. And then on this side is the side table from IKEA, and we have our engagement picture and a gift that my husband gave a long time back. And here is a beautiful lamp that I got from Ross. And again on the other side is another bedside table and a lamp. Then coming on to this side is my part of the room where I do my work, planning and generating video ideas for you all. So here comes a recent family picture, and then a candle again, and a few times to decorate this little tiny space. Then I have a few magazines, my journal, planner, and a book where I plan down my YouTube video ideas. Adjacent to this room is the kids' room, and now Adi and Anjali have been sharing the room together, and they have been sleeping good. So here is Adi's side with his bed, and he keeps some of his toys in this bin, and he really likes his bedspread and how it looks with balls and all that. And over that is a frame which says never give up, and that is what I want him to believe in. And this is actually a t-shirt of his which I cut and framed, and then he still uses his bed rail on his side of the bed so that he stays in place while he sleeps. On this side is a kitchen which is actually being used by both the kids now, and they love to pretend what I do and serve their make-believe dishes from here. And then here is Anjali's crib that we got, which can be transformed into a toddler bed, but we have not done that yet. And there is her little lion from Build-A-Bear which she got on her birthday. She chooses which stuffed animal she wants that day from this bin here. And we also use a sound machine to keep away any other noise, and which would help them sleep more peacefully. Then this is a little decor item for her side of the wall, and then here again is this little seating arrangement that kids love. Adi spends a lot of time here.
Lightning begins high above the ground, water drops and ice crystals swirl and swarm inside the moving clouds.
And then we have Adi's table here, on which he has his lamp and his favorite bikes and this picture of us. And then here is a very tiny closet that is being shared by both the kids. I also have a lot of toys in there, but we had to get a dresser to keep their clothes more organized. So that is from Wayfair, and I really like the way it looks. It took a little bit of time to build it all together, but it's really nice and keeps clothes very organized. And the kids keep their storybooks on top of that in file holders. Each one of them has their own so that their books don't get mixed up. And here is a nice picture of the brother and sister. And next to that is a floor lamp, and here is an essential oil diffuser. Sometimes I just add water in it and it acts as a humidifier. And adding 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil in water, it keeps this atmosphere really nice and gives a relaxing feel, and the kids love the lights on it, so that makes them excited before bedtime. So this is how the shared sibling bedroom looks like. And then outside we have this laundry area, and here is the bathroom. Again has a candle which smells great, so that is also again from Target. So that completes the house tour, and I hope you all enjoyed watching it. Please do let me know what is your favorite part in this house tour, and I will see you all later. Till then, take care and bye.